Need to communicate with a team member or group on shift, but don't know who's on duty? Unlock role-based messaging using tags with shifts in Microsoft Teams. When you have an active schedule in the Shifts app, Tags in Teams automatically groups users based on their assigned role and shift. This team schedule has shifts for its sales floor associates and customer support specialists. This automatically generates a sales floor associates tag and a customer support specialist tag. When you use the sales associate tag to start a new group chat, everyone currently on that shift will receive your message. Active shift tag groups are updated when someone comes on shift or goes off shift, so only the members currently working are notified, ensuring a timely resolution. Collaborate smarter and faster with active shift tags in Microsoft Teams.